Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix ban error 61 in League of Legends. So this is a ban error. Now, this will only work if you haven't cheated or got banned for like, I don't know, abusing chat or whatever, or like cheating in League with scripts, etc. So here's what you gotta do. The first thing you want to go is to search, type in run. Once it opens, when you type in this services.msc, press OK. It will open this window. Click somewhere here, press a V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it and you want to switch the startup type from manual to automatic. Click apply. Okay, close this out. Go back to search, type in system configuration. Once in here, go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untake it, take it back again, click apply, okay. And it will ask you to restart your PC. And now you restart your PC, and after you restart your PC, if the game doesn't work, then you have to contact Right Support. I'll put a video in the description how to do it, and hopefully they should be able to help you with the issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanguard 61 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.